guys, and I video and freaking a video that in this video. Hello.
Done.
Siapa oh?
Done na oh. Again na oh.
Again? Serious?
Oh. Mabakan ba? Oh, mabakar.
Ang Bakman.
Cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in early spring. Met the beautiful girl that I met named Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams. Cherry blossoms blooming in the mountain in early spring.
Yummy.
Getting a second season. Season 1 followed Ellen, a hardcore gamer who chose the hardest possible difficulty setting and gets reincarnated into another world as a little monster. Instead of receiving an easy overpowered setting, he starts at the absolute bottom.
Tumeni lagi to, Dad. Amen.
Slowly builds strength from childhood. Start paying off as he moves beyond simple survival and toward much bigger goals. Season 2 is expected to push Alan into a much larger stage now that his abilities and reputation are growing. Based on where Season 1 leaves off.
Video. Knows naman ba this it?
Hirap daw na. Sa'yo na ba sa Steven?
So,
Here lang kay. Here na. Dito. Dito na. Kamera na.
no, no, day ka secret room dira.